Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.1 sums. Find the area and perimeter of the following parallelogram. Here given base is 11 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. First we will find the area. Area of the parallelogram formula B into H square units. So 11 into 3, 33 centimeter square. Next, perimeter means sum of all sides, 4 sides here. So here 11. So opposite sides are also equal. So 11 here also 11 centimeter and 4 here opposite sides also here 4 centimeter. So you write it sum of 4 sides. So 11 plus 4 plus 11 plus 4. So answer is 30 centimeter. So area 33 centimeter squared, perimeter 30 centimeter. Second sum, here also we have to find the area and perimeter. Area and perimeter. So area means first what we have to find out a base. So given here base 7 centimeter. How to say is it a 7 centimeter? Here you see that height here. So opposite sides also here 7 centimeter. So here base you take it 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So now you do it area of the parallelogram B into H square units. So 7 into 10 centimeter squared, 70 centimeter squared. Perimeter means sum of all sides. So here 13 means that opposite side also 13 centimeter. So add it 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 13, 33 plus 7, 40. So perimeter 40 centimeter. Here you have to keep it in mind that base only. Here this is the base. Here this is the base. Here not given the measure, but here opposite side. So you have to write it 7 centimeter base and after you continue the sum. Second one, find the missing value. Here base 18 centimeter, height 5 centimeter. So we have to find out the area. So given first write given base. So short form B equal to 18 centimeter. Height H equal to 5 centimeter. Formula area of the parallelogram B into H square units. So substitute the value of B. What is B here? 18. So 18 into H value 5. So multiply 5 8s are 40. 4. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 9. So 90 centimeter squared is the area. Second sum, base given 8 meter and area of the parallelogram also given 56 square meter. So we have to find out H. So first you write it area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram equal to B into H. Area also given, you write it's 56. So B value substitute base 8. 8 into H we have to find equal to 56. This is left hand side equal to after right hand side. So that left hand side 8 will come to the right hand side, it will come divide. So H equal to 56 by 8. Cancel it with 8 table. 1 8 is 8. 7 8s are 56. Therefore H equal to 7 meter. Third one, given height given 17 millimeter, and area of the parallelogram also given 221 square millimeter. Here we have to find out base. So here also you write it area equal to area of the parallelogram equal to B into H equal to area value 221. Base we have to find out H 17. So B into 17 equal to 221. Therefore B equal to 17 will come to the right hand side, it will come divide. So 17. So write it B equal to 221 by 17. Cancel it. 117 is 17. Here also 117 is 17. 22 minus 17. So remaining 5. Here 51. 3 17s are 51. Therefore B equal to 13 meter. Base 13 meter. Third one, Suresh won a parallelogram shaped trophy in a state level chess tournament. He knows that the area of the trophy is 735 square centimeter and its base is 21 centimeter. What is the height of the trophy? So given base is 21 centimeter, area of the parallelogram 735. So write the formula B into H equal to 735. B is 21. So 21 into H equal to 735. Therefore H equal to 735 by 21. So cancel it. 735 by 21. 3 table. 7 3s are 21. 2 3s are 6. Here 1. 4 3s are 12. Here 1. 15. 5 3s are 15. Again 1 7 is 7. 3 7s are 21. 5 7s are 35. So H equal to 35 centimeter. Height of the trophy is 35 centimeter. Next question. Janaki has a piece of fabric in the shape of parallelogram. Its height is 12 meter and its base is 18 meter. She cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelogram by cutting the parallel sides through its midpoints. Find the area of a new parallelogram. Here height is 12 meter and base is given. Height is 12 meter and base is 18 meter. First we draw this. Clear? First you draw this parallelogram. Here base is 18 meter and height is 12 meter. After she cuts the fabric into 4 equal parallelograms. So we cut it this one here and keep the center point also. So we cut that 4 parts. By cutting the parallel sides through its midpoint. So this is the midpoint here. This one is the line. Clear? Okay. So here whole 18 meter means midpoint means 18 by 2. So base is 9 meter. Height also here 12. So divided by 2. 12 by 2 6 meter. So base is 9 meter and height is 6 meter. Area formula B into H. So 9 into 6 54 meter square. So area of a new parallelogram is 54 meter square. Fifth one, a ground is in the shape of parallelogram. The height given 14 meters and corresponding base given, but some condition is there. Base is 8 meters longer than its height. So find the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 15 per square meter. First, here given height is 14 meter, but base is 8 meter longer than height. What is height here? 14. 14, 8 meter longer means we can add. So 14 plus 8 equal to 22 meter is base. So now you apply the formula. Area of the parallelogram B into H. So B is 22 and H is 14. So 22 into 14 you multiply. 2 4s are 8, 1 2 is 2 and 2 4s are 8, 1 2 is 2. So 8, 8 plus 2 10, carry over 1. So 1 plus 2 3, 308. 308 meters squared, that is area. Here next one, find the cost of leveling. Per means 1. 1 meter squared, that cost of leveling rupees 15. Here our area is 300 meter squared means 1 to many. 1 to many means multiplication. So 308 into 15. Multiply 5 8s are 40. Carry over 4. 500 plus 4 4. 3 5s are 15. Next 1 8 is 8. 1 0 0. 1 3 is 3. Add it to 0. 8 plus 4 12. 1. 5 plus 1 6. 1 plus 3 4. So rupees 4,620, that the cost of leveling the ground. Next, objective sums. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 6 cm and 5 cm. That is, adjacent sides means here 6 and 5 centimeter. So we need perimeter means opposite sides also you write it a 5 centimeter and a 6 centimeter. So sum of all sides 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 5 22. 22 is the answer. Otherwise you write it 2 into bracket of 6 plus 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So 2 into 11, 22 centimeter. You can do it both methods. The area of the parallelogram whose base is 10 meter, height is 7 meter. So area of the parallelogram formula, base into height. So 10 into 7, 70 square meter. First option is correct. So the base of the parallelogram with the area is 52 square centimeter and height 4 centimeter. So area equal to B into H. So you keep it B in right hand side, that area write it and H will come to divide. So area by H, area 52, height is 4. So cancel 1 4 is 4, 1 4 is 4, remaining 1 12, 3 4s are 12. Therefore base is 13 centimeter. Third option. What happens to the area of the parallelogram if the base is increased 2 times and the height is halved? So area formula B into H. So here given condition, new base means 2 into old base, that is B. New height is half into old height, so half into H. So you cancel this 2 and 2. So B into H will become, that is the area. So answer is remains the same. Old area and new area remains the same only. A parallelogram, the base is 3 times its height. So if a height also given 8 centimeter, then the area. First we write it area equal to B into H. What is a B condition? B is 3 times its height means 3H. So for that B we can write 3H. H is 8 centimeter, so you write 3H into 8. So for that H we can write it as again 8. So 3 into 8 into 8. So 3 8s are 24, 24 8s are 4 8s are 32, 3, 2 8s are 16 plus 3, 90. 192 centimeter squared is the area. Okay students, we will see next class, next exercise. Thank you.